Good morning from Tortola in the British Virgin Islands. Good morning, Christian. Get some good food. Cool. Bella, you got some cereal. I got some fried rice to start, and it looks like Daddy got some oatmeal. Went around to the very back where they have the specialty item, and they had Mexican Hot Pockets, and I also got some pineapple. How was your oatmeal?
Oaty and granola and pineapple.
That's good. How's your cereal? How's your cereal? Flaky? Yeah, but we gotta go to Paulo.
Seating area in the center cabin and two open-air seating areas located at the front and...
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to the BVA. Welcome aboard Bella Rosa. For your crew today, you got Will, Dennis, and I'm Elvis. Whatever assistance you guys need, feel free to ask. Today we'll be going to Jost Van Dyke.
You having fun, Bells?
We're doing a boaty coaster, which mainly happens when you're in a boat's wave, or when it's just really weak. Issues with your body, please do not ride. And like I said, remember to hold on to your metal glasses because this is your wildest ride in the water.
And then they just drive the trucks off. See?
Here we come.
No, that's not the beach we're going to. I told you to drive on the other side of the road. Because technically you can't.
Yay, I've gone to England now.
It's like insane. Look at this turn.
Down we go. No seatbelt.
We have arrived at the beach. And we have
About 3 hours.
3 hours. We're gonna get hot. Alright. Good. Chilly. Feels nice though. It's very warm outside.
Too bad.
Careful, Isabella, it drops right there. Not a lot, but it gets deeper. And then, hey, look, you see those rocks? It gets a lot deeper and there's big rocks. So don't go further than that.
See, he gave you 3.
How are you gonna do that? is over here, so see that. Are you the mermaid who got her legs? Careful, there's a big rock. And now we've come as far as we can.
Wait, come back.
Stop doggy paddling, use your arms. Keep going. You're almost there. All right, you can stand. Do it again. We made it somewhere. Got some lunch that's included with this excursion. I would recommend getting a towel to sit on. That is very hot. Cushion, you got some salad and rice and peas, and yes, you may start chicken and ribs. Actually, wait. Let's get some hand sanitizer. And the rest of us got fish, and you didn't get any fish. You
I
didn't
didn't
fish.
touch anything.
And some pasta salad. Hello. How was your lunch?
Good.
Yeah, you got sauce all over your face. How's your Sprite?
Good.
It's regular American Sprite.
It's just
It's from Puerto Rico. Christian, how was your lunch? Tasty? Daddy?
It was delicious.
Yeah, we got some fruit too. I brought that out after. But it was very good. I liked the chicken, I liked the ribs, the fish. Everything was good.
It was really, really good.
And it's included with the excursion. It's the Jost Van Dyke Beach Escape or something like that.
Lots of boats in it.
Yep. Lots and lots of boats.
No.
Not Parks a lot.
With the person of the dirty legs. I went in the ocean. I lost. Wait, keep your leg up in the air. No.
Is that like knocked over? Hi.
They're evil and they're on the ship.
Are they actually evil?
Yes. Or maybe they just want to leave.
Did you have a good beach day, Bella?
Yes.
You had fun? We just gotta let this taxi pull up and unload, and then we'll get a ride back to the boat to get a ride back to the boat. Right? I had fun at the beach too. It was hot, but it was a nice beach. How about you, darling?
Yep, it was a good time. The water was nice and cool, but not too cold. Food was really great. Really great excursion, honestly.
I'm ready to get out of the sun.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at the tiny cake. Okay, we got the Jumbeaux signature sundae, and the spoon comes with it. It's fancy. Okay, what kind of ice creams did we get?
We got.
I was taking pictures.
We got the no sugar added coffee thingy.
We got the Judy Hopps carrot cake gelato, and what did you get, Isabella?
I picked a brownie batter.
Yep, double
And
brown
then
batter.
a whole bunch of sprinkles.
Yeah.
And chocolate and blondies and all kinds of stuff. And we also got some macarons, but we'll probably eat them later. So we had a really good sunny time at the beach, but now it's looking like it might downpour. And some people were getting to the beach when we were leaving the beach, like for their excursion.
Don't hold the reset button on your bus light for more than 5 seconds or else it'll turn into Spanish mode.
Oh no, yeah. Toy Story 3 is up on Funnel Vision right now. Are you guys enjoying the sundae?
Yes, it's very delicious.
So we're gonna keep enjoying this. Carrot cake. Get it. They have 18 minutes to be back on the ship. 18. I just feel sprinkles. Maybe I'm losing my mind. We are sadly going to miss the horns because we will be at dinner. Oh well.
I know who Bernard are trying to save.
We are in 19.
Actually, I don't.
And as Christian pointed out, there's new trivia.
So let me tell you all the answers.
Okay.
According to Tigger, what creatures steal honey? Pretty sure they
Heffalumps and measles. You've been on the ride. It is also a brand new menu. It is like the Captain's Gala menu on the other ships. It is still the Captain's Gala menu with a few new additions. Whoa. So I've got the endive that looks like arugula and radicchio salad. It has Valencia oranges, brie and candied walnuts. Not gonna lie, candied walnuts are literally, and the brie are the whole reason I got the salad. We'll see, get a little bit.
Cheese. Get it.
It's a nice light salad. Really refreshing.
Do you want some get it?
Alright, and I got the 5-cheese souffle. This is the 5-cheese souffle. It's got some tarragon on it. It's light. It is cheesy, so delicious. I gave bites to the kids. They thought it was delicious. So, what did you think about it, Belle?
Good.
Yeah? Really tasty? Good.
I have the white onion soup. Good thing I blew on that because it's very, very hot. But it's also very, very tasty. Not too oniony. I like it. That looks tasty.
Alright, so I got the oxtail soup. It's got little tortellinis in it. And then it's got big chunks of beef in it. It's really hearty, really deep flavor from the beef. I really enjoy it.
Christian, you got basically the turkey parmesan. How is it? Oh, it's yummy. He said it's chilled lava.
Yeah, the tomato sauce is chilled.
How's your chicken tenders, Bells?
Good. Need to save up to my cookies. So.
Oh, okay. Gonna have dessert tonight.
Alright, so I had the venison with the turnips and the onions and the carrots. My venison came out perfectly cooked. It's really good. Put a little bit of the turnips with the sauce, and it's an absolutely amazing dish. I think you can really go wrong with it. So.
I got the ratatouille with puff pastry, and I hope you can hear that. Flaky. Delish. Now you may start, Isabella.
Should be a vanilla
Got
chocolate sauce.
the kids' Mickey cookies with dipping sauces, chocolate sauce and vanilla. So probably a creme anglaise. Are the cookies crispy or are they like soft? Soft.
Can your brother have an ear?
Because Christian got the sundae. Have you gotten the sundae every night?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Cool. So is it good, Isabella? Have you tried it with the sauce?
The vanilla sauce is really good. And I have not tried chocolate.
This is the first night Bella's done dessert, so yum.
I've done dessert once before. I mean, remember that brownie with ice cream?
Oh yeah, you're right. So you only eat dessert in this restaurant? Christian, you're gonna dig in with your pretzel stick spoon? You wish it was made out of pretzels, right?
Yes.
Alright, give it a try.
This part seems like a pretzel.
Yeah, so it's mint chocolate chip ice cream, then I don't even know what else.
1 moment.
Oh, we're just eating. Okay. Have you eaten anything that isn't the chocolate yet?
Wait. Mickey ears.
Yep. Alright. I think they're meringues. They crunchy. So like little marshmallows.
Yeah, I'm gonna save room for love.
For that
How is it? Is it yummy? Okay, we have new desserts as well. Yummy. Christian, Bella, did you like the magician show?
It was very cute. Yes.
Yeah, Christian was baffled. He was impressed. His jaw literally dropped. Make the face you made. No? Okay, somebody open the door. Daddy, did you enjoy the magician?
I dislike magicians because I can never figure out what they did.
Okay, but did you like the show?
Yes, I did like the show. All right, let me grab the.
That's the dinosaur.
Yeah, I gotta grab the.
We gotta grab the light card. Oh, look, let there be light. Look, it's a dinosaur. And we were watching The Good Dinosaur. Yay. So, yes, the magician show was...
The magician show was very good. She was
quite
very
good.
talented. I quite enjoyed it.
Yes, very good.
Yeah.
We're gonna get settled in. We didn't talk about dessert, did we?
No, we didn't. But hey, look at this, guys.
Oh, yes. Fancy sheets for the night.
Sheets.
Detail.
Yeah.
Let's see what mine is.
Let's see what yours is.
Frozen.
Fancy.
Yeah, our stateroom host asked who was sleeping where. I made sure to tell them.
So just for tonight, you get fancy sheets.
Yeah, very, very cool.
Yes.
Hello again. Oh yes, this is my brand new shirt. Isn't it nice?
It is nice.
It's a Youth XL. Yay for saving money. So, dessert. We got the chocolate lava cake.
With the twist of we got the mint and chip ice cream instead of the traditional vanilla ice cream because...
But if you've been watching us for a while, you know we do that.
Yep.
Our server said it wasn't very rare.
No. And then it kind of blew our head server's mind. She was like, I've never seen that before. So we had someone who's seen it before many times, then someone who hasn't. So...
As always, very good.
Delicious.
And you got the chocolate cheesecake.
I did, and it was really good. I had no complaints.
Cheesecake.
Yeah.
Well, okay. It was more chocolate mousse than cheesecake,
Yeah.
but it was quite tasty.
Yeah.
I've just realized that I got sunburn on my feet. Just my feet, because I sprayed my legs, but not my
Yeah.
feet. Anyway.
Yep.
And then the magic show was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun. The kids enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it?
I did. I enjoyed watching Christian's reaction to the tricks.
Yeah.
Because you and Bella were sitting down in front of us.
Yeah.
So I was sitting next to Christian and watching his
Reaction.
very excited reaction to all the tricks. And it was a lot of fun. I don't think...
It was so fun.
Oh, sleep mask down. It was so fun. I'm going to grab that sleep mask.
It was a lot of fun. Yeah, she's really talented.
Yeah. It was Jessica Jane. So if you're interested, look her up. I don't know what the kids' plans are for tomorrow, but if we go to the matinee at Beauty and the Beast, there is an adult-only show tomorrow night. So
that might be fun.
It's a possibility of something to do. I don't know. The only plans we have tomorrow, firm plans for tomorrow, are Polo Brunch.
Yeah.
Polo Brunch was supposed to be on day 6. It was supposed to be C Day. Tomorrow was supposed to be Puerto Rico, and then the whole itinerary changed.
Yeah.
So it was all automatically changed to day 5 to fit on the C Day.
Mm-hmm.
So So we won't be at Apollo on your birthday,
It's okay.
but we'll be
Yeah, fine.
celebrating your birthday.
Yep.
Yeah, so much. I guess we sort of talked about our excursion
Yeah.
while we were doing it.
Yeah, I don't think we really recapped it.
So we did the Jost Van Dyke Beach thing. I don't remember the exact name, but it's that. It was like 6-ish hours. It was up to 6 hours and 45 minutes is what it said.
Yeah.
But that included like the meeting time, getting off the ship.
The 45 actually turned
Hang
up.
on.
Sorry.
That encompassed everything. But so we went and we met up, and it was probably the smoothest check-in for an excursion we've ever had. We don't do excursions too often, but when we do, there's normally a line down the hall. We went, we sat down, the cast members walking around with the tablet, checking everybody in, walked down, waited on the pier for everybody to be there.
Yeah. And then we walked to the boat,
Which was right outside the pier. Got on the boat and took about 50 minutes. So it wasn't like a tiny boat. It was like a kind of a ferry, but faster than a ferry boat. Took about 50 minutes to get to Jost Van Dyke. So we started on Tortola. Both are British Virgin Islands, and according to the little summary, Jost Van Dyke is the smallest of the 4 major British Virgin Islands. So we went over there, and we got in a little, like, safari truck type thing.
Yeah, kind of like the ones that we used the last time we were here on Tortola.
We had a boaty coaster.
We did have a boaty coaster, yeah. So the boat, obviously the smaller the boat, the more you're going to feel the movement. But because you're in the fresh air, it's not going to impact you as much. Going out, it was hot. It was like 10 o'clock. It was hot. There was not much of a breeze. But then towards the end, there was a breeze. The spray started picking up. He got sprayed. Oh my gosh. It was enjoyable. Then we got in those safari trucks, and it was like less than 10-minute drive.
Yeah, we had to go
the
up
beach.
and over the mountain.
Got to the beach, and we were all the way down at the end of the beach because there's like a couple of hotels that have spots on the beach and some other stuff. But the excursion had their own section down at the end of the beach. There was umbrellas, beach chairs. We didn't use our chair for more than to put our stuff on it, really.
Yeah, really.
But there were some people that were reading. We took our sand toys. Kids played in the water. Lunch was included. We got
salad, pasta salad,
ribs.
Ribs, chicken, and fish.
And then fruit.
Yeah, and also included was a non-alcoholic drink. So we got Sprite and Coke.
Yeah.
But you could also purchase alcoholic beverages and beer there as well. But
we got to the beach like just after 11, I want to say.
Yeah, it was about.
And then we were the end time for us to be at the beach was 2:30. We got out of the water at 2. Started making our way back.
Yeah, lunch was served at about 12:30.
Yeah, about
12:45ish.
So there was a group showing up after, like as we were leaving, they were showing up.
And then the same thing when we were showing up to the beach, there was a group that was heading back. So it looks like they've got about 3 times that they do this, but I
liked our time slot because it was we didn't have to get off the ship too early. We didn't get back too late. We were watching, and that last excursion group was literally walking onto the ship like 5 minutes before all aboard time.
Yeah, so I thought
Which is right, and that cast members
It's
did
true.
aboard time like 3 minutes before.
That's true.
Yeah.
Leah said to be back at 5:43. So, it was a good excursion, if I remember correctly.
Really sandy.
Yeah, we did get really sandy, but that's what happens when you go to the beach.
Yep.
It's gonna happen at Lookout. It's gonna happen at Castaway. It's just what happens. You have sand in your hair. This is what happens when you flop around in the waves. If I remember correctly, Bella was $99.
Yes.
And the other 3 of us, because Christian is 10, it was 0 to 2 and
I believe 3 to 9, and then 10 and up was 119.
Yes.
If while I am editing this, that is wrong, I will put it in. I think it was worth it.
Yeah, absolutely.
With the boat transportation, the beach day, and the lunch.
And with that, one thing that we didn't mention was both times going out to Jost Van Dyke and then on our way back, crew members on the boat came around with bottled water.
Like ice cold
bottled water. They came around twice on our way back to the treasure, so...
Which was great.
It's slowly for some reason.
Yeah.
Yes, sip cold water.
Cold waters, yeah. Yeah, so I mean, that was really great. They were really helpful. Great experience.
It was good music.
Yeah.
On the way out, it was like kind of like Bob Marley kind of stuff, and on the way back, it was like stereotypical American music, like Journey and Neil Diamond.
A lot of good stuff. It had the whole boat singing.
We were rocking out to Sweet Caroline and Journey.
Getting off the boat, it was YMCA, and a lot of people were, as we were trying to get off, were trying to do the YMCA dance, and it did not work out very well, but that's okay.
But it was a nice, relaxing boat ride out and back, and the scenery was beautiful.
It was very beautiful.
So I would do this excursion again.
Yeah, the water at the beach was crystal clear. It was beautiful. And the thing that I really enjoyed was that even for being February, the water was not too cold.
Yeah, it was nice.
But it was refreshing. It was a little bit brisk when you got in, but then you immediately acclimated to it. Not like some of those times that we've been to Castaway where it's just been frigid. Be cold. Yeah, it's going to be cold.
We're further east, and that's what it is.
Yeah, so
we are in the part of the Caribbean where it's hotter.
Yeah, so...
How many stars would you give the excursion?
I'd give it 4.5 stars.
Okay.
I agree with that. What about you, Christian? Okay, Isabella gives it 5. Christian's thinking about it.
4 3/4 stars.
Cool.
4 3/4. All right. Very good, kid. But yeah, absolutely something that we should do again. But
I really enjoyed it. It was a good day. It was lots of time in the sun, so I'm tired.
Yeah.
It's also 9:45.
But like
we're getting an extra sleep tonight.
She took it away from us, and now we're getting it back. So.
Yes, we're going back to the Eastern time zone tonight.
Yeah. So we're going to get ready and go to sleep, so we can have a jam-packed day of fun at sea
and food.
Lots of brunch. So.
Yeah, if you've made it this far through our
10.5-minute outro.
Yeah, we appreciate you. So we will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Bye.